Hello, YouTube land. Richard here from Mulstar LLC. Now, I was washing the shed, and it has a light, and I tested the lights on the inside, and they were off. I knew this one, worked on electric eyes, so I knew there was juice in there, but, the outlets and the lights inside were dead. Anyway, I was washing this, and you can see right here, this vine was there. And anyway, I figured I'd do my part and yank off the vines. And when I grabbed this vine, touching the side here, I got a huge shock. And I realized that, look at right up there, this could be it. I think most likely, even though I did avoid it, I guess the mist was enough to conduct electricity. And I started thinking that if you're washing the side of a house and you grab if the electrical box is not sealed, let me see, if the electrical box is not sealed and you touch the side, that's 220. I know this is 110, and that could definitely possibly kill you or give you double the jolt I got. Let's see. You can see that box down there. But anyway, I figured I'd post this because, it was a shocking event, to say the least. And I was like, what the heck? And in all honesty, I didn't notice that right away, but I didn't think anything of it. But, I'm thinking, on the side of the houses, you have, little tiny, fuse boxes or circuit breaker boxes for the central air units. And, you have, sometimes a lot of these older houses has circuit breakers on the outside. And anyway, you got your box. And it never really dawned on me, because I've been doing this for, probably a little bit over 12 years now. This was the first time I got a shock, and it was an eye-opener, pun intended. So learn from my mistakes so it don't become yours. If you see any vines on the house, my golden advice is yank them off before you start washing, don't touch the side of the house when it's wet. It might be a no-brainer for a lot of people, but I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but what are you gonna do? Live and learn. But I'll tell you what, touching that side of that shed there did sharpen me up, and now I am the sharpest tool in the shed. So anyway, I figured I'd share that to spare any washers or anybody for that reason, a potentially eyeball popping event. It was not fun, and I got quite a jolt. But however, I've been on this planet for a while, and I've got many, many, many shocks over my lifetime. But this was the first time I got one washing, houses, and this thing here, which is the shed to a house. And yeah, live and learn, right? But yeah, don't touch them houses when they're wet, guys. Anyway, if you find this valuable, smash that like button, and peace out.